Good morning, children. Let us resume exercise 10.4. Question number this one, your question number 5. Three girls, Reshma, Salma, and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? Three girls, Reshma, Salma, and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? Okay, let us draw a circular park, children. Here, draw a circular park. Let it be. Let us draw a circular park. This is a circular park, children. Okay, children, this is a circular park. Let it be. With the center, let it be O. Okay, children. Now see here. What let it be Reshma. Here Reshma is there. Here Reshma, Salma. Here Salma is sitting over here. Clear? And here Mandeep is sitting. Clear? Reshma stands, R stands for Reshma, S for Salma, and M for Mandeep. Now distance between Reshma and Salma, that is clear. You join it, and that is 6 centimeter. That is given in the question itself. Distance between Reshma and Salma. This is a chord, clear? And distance between Salma and Mandeep, it is again 6 centimeter. That is given in the question. Okay, children. Now see the radius 5 centimeter. This is center of the circle. Here Reshma is sitting. Here Salma is sitting. Here Mandeep is sitting. So this distance is, what is the radius? Radius is 5 centimeter. Clear? It is given in the question that radius is 5 centimeter. Okay, children. What else is given here? See, now we have to join this one also. Let it be let it be keep your this center over here. Let the center be over here. Otherwise, since the circle is smaller, let this be the center. Okay, and this is 5 centimeter. Now it is given to be RS between Reshma and Salma. It is given to be 6 centimeter, and distance between Salma and Mandeep, it is given. This distance we have to find out. Which one? This distance between Reshma and Mandeep, RM, we have to find out. Okay, children. Now let us see the what is given. Question number 5. What is given? Please, children, let Reshma, Salma, and Mandeep are represented by R, S, and M respectively. Okay, children. To find, what we have to find out. Notice that. See the figure, children. Distance between Reshma and Salma means this is a chord. Clear? And distance between Salma and Mandeep, this is again a chord. Clear? Both are 6 centimeter each. Clear? Now see what else. See, before going to the to find what else is given. See what is circle. Radius of the circle is 5 meter. This circle of radius 5 meter. Clear? This is 6 meter. What is this 6 meter? Radius of the circle. Radius. Also here you can write also radius of the circle of the circle equal to 5 meter. What else is given? RS. RS means distance between Resma and Salma. RS equal to SM equal to 6 meter. This much is given in the question. Okay. Now what we have to find? What we have to find? We have to find the distance between Resma and Mandeep. RM we have to find out. Okay, children. Now let us see. Now see here. Start. What construction is needed? Construction. What construction is required, children? See, this is center O. Though it actually this is O is the center of the circle. Okay, children. Now here OR equal to this. It is given. What is the radius of the circle? That is 5 meter. Construction here drawn OL. What is OL? Drawn, children, OL. What is this? O is here. OL. Let it be. This is center of the circle. Drawn OL. Let it be. OL is perpendicular. See, if we draw the bigger circle, then it will be very clear. Draw. Let it be. What is this? This is OL. Drawn OL. Okay. OL is perpendicular to RS. Am I right? Drawn OL perpendicular to RS. Clear, children? And what? OK. OK perpendicular to this is OK is again, see this, what is this? OK, that is this one. OK perpendicular to OK is also OK is perpendicular to RM. And OK perpendicular to RM, right? And produced OK to S. Clear? Also this one, drawn OL perpendicular to RS is there, end out. Clear? And OK perpendicular to RM, joined KS and joined KS. KS is what? This one. Now this OS is also your what? Radius. Clear? Clear, children? Now OK perpendicular to RM. Now see what we have ultimately found. We have found that OR equal to what? OR equal to OS. OS equal to OM. Means distance from center to Reshma, Salma and Mandeep equal to 5 meter. That is given. Okay, children? Is there any doubt? Now in right triangle OLR. Now in triangle OLR. Where is OLR? OLR. See, angle OLR, since we have drawn OL perpendicular to RS, so angle OLR equal to 90 degree. Okay, children, why 90 degree? By construction. Am I right? Because OL is perpendicular. This implies that what? This implies that, children, find out the distance of OL. Then OL is square. See, transposed Pythagoras theorem we are going to use. OL square equal to what? OR square. Am I right? OR square minus OL square. That is RL square. Right, children? What is this actually? OR square. OR is what? OR is your hypotenuse. Clear? OL is your perpendicular and LR is the base. So transposed form, since we need OL, so directly we are writing OL square equal to OR square minus RL square by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay. This implies that OL square equal to what? What is OR? OR is given to be 5. and 5 square minus RL. What is RL? RL is given to be what? See children, look at here. RS is given to be 6. RL is given to be 6. So sorry, RS is given to be 6. Am I right? So RL will be half of 6 because perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Okay. So RL here we will write 3 square. Why? Here see RL. Look at here. RL equal to 6 upon 2. Here you can write down perpendicular from the center. Perpendicular from the center to chord bisects the chord. Is there any doubt? Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Okay children? Okay. Now children, let us see. See, that's why see you should make it clear that why RL equal to 3, because RL equal to RS upon 2, that is 6 upon 2. Why? Because perpendicular from the center to chord bisects the chord. This implies that OL square equal to 25 minus 9. This implies that OL equal to under root 16. Okay children, this implies that OL equal to 4 meter. OL equal to OL, this is perpendicular. OL equal to 4 meter we have found out. Okay children, now let OK equal to x meter. Okay children, let OK equal to x meter. Then area, let us find out. Then area of, see, that is area of triangle area of triangle ORS, means see bigger triangle ORS. Then area of what? Area of triangle ORS equal to, area of triangle ORS equal to what children? That is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height, equal to this area of triangle ORS equal to 1 upon 2 into what is the base? Base is RS, let us take, into height is OL, right? This is equal to what? Equal to 1 upon 2. RS is what? RS is 6 into OL we have found out, that is OL equal to 4. Okay children, that is 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, and this is equal to, this implies that area of triangle ORS equal to 4 3 ja 12 meter square. Right? Area of triangle ORS equal to 12 meter square. Now since you have found out the area of triangle ORS to be 12 square meter, clear, with the base RS. Now let us find out the area of the same triangle, clear, with the base OS and the height RK. RK, that is this is not OK. This is, let OK equal to x meter. Let it is not OK. Write down RK children. It is RK. Make it correction. Let RK equal to x meter. Clear children, here let make RK equal to x. Now again area of triangle ORS equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Now area of triangle ORS we have found out to be 12 square meter, equal to 1 upon 2 into, this time let us take base because we have to find out what is base here. Area of triangle, that is, what is base? Let us take this time base equal to OS. OS is the base into KR. Clear children? This implies that, see, now we are writing it over here. This time area is OS and perpendicular height is RK. Clear? This is also perpendicular, right? OS this time, see, previously we have taken RS as the base and OL as perpendicular. This time, clear, for the same triangle, clear, we are taking base OS and the corresponding height RK. Clear? So that is KR equal to, this implies that 12 equal to 1 upon 2 into, what is OS? OS is 5. What is OS, children? OS is 5 because this is the radius. OS is 5 into KR we have taken to be X. Clear, children? This implies that what? This implies that X equal to, what is X? X equal to what? X equal to 12 into 2 upon, that is X equal to into 2 upon 5. Clear? By cross multiplication equal to X. Is there any doubt? 2 will be multiplied by this and 5 will be here, right? This implies that X is what? X equal to, this is 12 to the 24 upon 5 and 24 upon 5 equal to, this is 4, 5 at the, that is 5 4 the 20, clear, and 5 8 the 40, that is 4.8 meter. So X equal to, what is X? X is nothing but RK. This implies that this implies that KR equal to X equal to 4.8 meter. Okay, children. Now let us move to the next part of the board. That is, what is this? Now this KR we have found out. Clear, children? Notice that, see, actually this in construction, since circle was smaller. Now here you know that, now that is, now we know that, now we know that, what do we know? Perpendicular from the center, perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord, bisects the chord. This implies that what? OS equal to, this implies that what, children? RK we have found out. This implies that what? KR equal to, that is KR equal to X equal to what? This implies that, see, this implies that KR equal to, see, KR equal to KM, perpendicular, this is OK is the perpendicular, RM is the chord. Clear? Means RK equal to KM. Clear, children? That is RK equal to KM, that is RK, that is, this is that is what? Here you can write, that is RK equal to KM, right? This implies that, children, you can write down RM, RM equal to 2RK, 2 into RK. Clear, children? Now put the values, RM equal to 2 into RK equal to X. Clear? Equal to 2 into, what is your X? X is found out to be 4.8, 4.8 meter. This implies that RM means distance between Resma and Mandeep equal to 2 8 ja 16, 1 square root 2 4 ja 8 and 1 9, that is what? And decimal number of decimal places with, that is 9.6 meter. Clear? So what we have found out, we have found out the distance between Resma and Mandeep. This implies that distance between Resma and Mandeep equal to, children, what? That is 9.6 meter. That is your answer. Okay, children, let us move to the next question, next important question. Clear? See, these two questions are very much important in this exercise, children. I tell you. Clear? And little bit difficult also. What is the next question? Let us see. I hope you have noted it down. Wherever clear it is, you have skipped, wherever you could not note down. Let us see once again. Clear? Proper view. Clear? This is wherever you have skipped, you can note it down. Okay, children. Now, what is the next question? Next question: a circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony where three boys, Ankur, Sayed, and David are sitting at equal distance on its boundary. At equal distance, this is very much important. Means each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of string of each phone. Okay, children. Let us see. Let us start. See, children. Draw a circular park. That is. See. Question number 6. Draw a circular park. It is given. Here again, clear, we will use what? Here again we will use the same notation, that is A for Ankur, S for Sayyid, and what? And this A for Ankur, S for Sayyid, and what else? Now see, this is your more or less a circle. Clear, children? Let us draw it once again. Okay, children, this is your circular park. Here, children, this is your circular park. Ankur, Sayed, and who else? Ankur, Sayed, and David. Clear? Ankur, Sayed. A stands for Ankur. Clear? S stands for Sayed. And this D stands for David. Clear? It is given that, what is given? See, it is given that a circular park of radius 20 meter. This is center of the circular park. And what is this? And this is, see, what is the radius? Radius is given to be 20 meter, is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Sayed, and David, are sitting at equal distance. At equal distance means in circular park, it is given that arc AS, equal distance means since park is circular, clear? So arc AS is equal to arc SD is equal to arc AD. Okay, children, it means since arcs are equal, so corresponding chords will also be equal. Okay, children, arc AS equal to arc AD equal to arc DS. It means that corresponding chords AS equal to AD equal to DS. Am I right? Clear, children? So we have to find out this time what toy telephone. We have to find the length of the string of each phone. Means AS equal to SD equal to AD. We have to find out. Let us see what is given, children. What is given? Let Ankur, Sayed, and David. Let Ankur, Sayed, and David are represented by what? By A, S, and D. Okay, children. What else is given? That they are sitting at equal distance. Okay, children. Also arcs AS, this cap represents arc. AS equal to arc CD, that is arc SD, that is AS arc SD equal to arc AD. Okay, it is given. Clear? This implies that, see, this implies that the corresponding chords, this implies that corresponding chords, that is what? Corresponding chords AS, line segment, this AS equal to SD equal to AD. Okay, children, are equal. Right? Now what we have to find, children? What we have to find? we have to find the distance, this length of each string, telephonic string, that is you have to find SD equal to AD equal to AS. We have to find out. Okay children, noted. Now let this is center O. Clear children? Now start here children. Here triangle ASD, since AS equal to, here triangle ASD is, since AS equal to what? AS equal to SD equal to AD, it means triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle. This implies triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle. Okay children, now see here children, I tell you this, I forgot to this explain the concept of centroid clear before clear. But what is centroid children? Let me explain it here only. What is centroid of a triangle? What centroid is? Centroid is the point of intersection of all the three medians of a triangle. Clear? Now see children, see here it is given that this distance, I tell you, what is this distance? What is this distance? It is given to be 20 meter. This distance is given to be 20 meter, means distance from the center, that is question. What was the question? Question was, see, let us see, a circular arc of radius 20 meter. So see, A, S and D, all the three are sitting on the circle. So AO equal to OS equal to OD. Here also in given you can write down children. See, in a given portion you can write down, see, in given portion you can write down what? OA equal to OS equal to OD equal to what? Equal to 20 meter, that is 20 meter, means radius is 20 meter. R, that is you can write down radius equal to 20 meter. Clear children? That is OA equal to OS equal to OD equal to 20 meter. Clear? Now children, let us start a concept. See here, to find this triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle. Now children, here let us write down construction also. Let us write down construction. Construction joined what you can say what, don't write joined, that is joined, this one you can say produced AO, you can say joined OP, write down. Okay, joined OP, write down, joined OP OR, joined OP OR and OQ. Clear children? Joined OP OR and OQ, right? Now children, here a triangle, here now you write here triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle. Clear children? Now I told you centroid. Clear? Now let it be this see, now children, here see, this is equilateral triangle. See, perpendicular from the center, see, perpendicular from the center to the chord. This is, so this, what is this? This is your perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. RC, a line segment in an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, the line segment joining the vertex to the opposite side, this is perpendicular. Okay, that is called median and what? Median and perpendicular height. Clear? Both are altitude. Clear? Both are same in equilateral triangle. Okay children, here this is 90 degree, this is here, this is 90 degree, this is 90, means they are median also. Clear? This here triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle, and and what, and AR SP and D, what is this, R, what is this, this is Q, children. What is this, this is Q, make it very clear, this is Q, this is ARSP and DQ, and DQ are its medians, okay children. Now in there is a concept, children, that centroid, see what is centroid, see I'll tell you the centroid afterwards. See now centroid, let it be this point, this is O already center, and this point center is also, let us give it another name, that is G. Clear children, this is called G, that is called centroid of the, now centroid, CENTROID, centroid G of equilateral triangle, of equilateral triangle ASD, coincides with the center O. See, in every equilateral triangle, I tell you, in every equilateral triangle, that is your means in circumcircle, if equilateral triangle is there, clear, then the centroid G and the center of the circle both coincide with each other. Centroid G of equilateral triangle ASD, clear, coincides, COINCIDE, coincides means G and O are the same points, okay. It means that G and O are triangle ASD coincides with the center, what, coincide with the center O, okay children. This implies that, see, what does it mean, means AR, I told you AR, SP and DQ are the medians of the triangle, clear, this with the center O. This implies that AG equal to, this implies that AG, what is this, AG is nothing but the radius. Now G and O both are same, it means AG is also, this implies that AG is 20 centimeter, SG is 20 centimeter and DG is 20 centimeter. Now they have become the radius. This implies that AG equal to SG equal to DG. Now means they have become the radius also, equal to 20 meter, that is radius given, okay children. Now see, this is mixed type question is there, application. Now see, figure is given there. Now let us move to the next part of the board, children. What is this centroid? I'll tell you after this question, clear. This centroid is the point of intersection. What is centroid, children? Centroid is the point of intersection of all the three medians of a triangle, okay. See, let us see. Now one more concept is there, that now we know that centroid divides a triangle, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1, okay children. Centroid divides the medians in the ratio, in the ratio 2:1, okay children. This implies that, what is the ratio? See children, this centroid G is the centroid and G and O, G is centroid and center of the circle both, clear. In equilateral triangle, clear, when the circumcircle is drawn, the centroid G coincide with the center of the circle, okay. So now since you know that centroid divides the medians in the ratio 2:1, this implies that AG upon, see the figure, AG, this is point G and O, AG upon RG, okay children. AG upon RG is equal to AG upon RG equal to 2 upon 1. Why? Because the centroid divides the medians in the ratio 2:1. Upper part is 2 and lower part is 1. Okay, now put the value. AG is what? AG is the center radius of the circle, that is given to be 20 upon RG is RG only. RG is RG and then 2 upon 1. This implies that children 2RG equal to 20. Clear? This implies that RG equal to 10 meter. RG is 10 meter. Okay children, what is RG? RG is this one. This is RG. Clear? Now in right triangle. Now in right triangle ORS. Where is that? Where is ORS? ORS. O, this is O, and that is centroid or center. ORS. This is right triangle. Now right triangle ORS. Here children, we have to find out what? RS we have to find out. Clear? RS we have to find out, that is now RS equal to RS square. We are writing the Pythagoras theorem in transposed form, that is RS square equal to what? RS square equal to SG square minus what? Minus RG square. Let us see once again. See in right triangle what? ORS or GRS, whatever you say, that is RS, that is your this GS square is GS. What is GS? Is hypotenuse. So RS square equal to GS square, the SG square minus RG square. Am I right? This is right angle triangle. This is hypotenuse. So SG square minus RG square equal to RS square. Clear? That is what? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay children, put the value. RS square equal to SG is nothing but your what? Your this one radius minus RG. What is RG? RG we have found out to be 10 square. Okay children, that is what? This implies that RS square equal to 20 into 20, that is 400, minus 10 into 10, that is 100. This implies that RS equal to under root 300. RS equal to under root 300. Okay children. Now children, RS equal to under root 300. What is C? Now you find out its value. Under root 300 equal to, it can be written as what? Under root 10 into 10 into 3, right? That it, this implies that RS equal to 10 made pair, that is 10 under root 3 meter. RS equal to 10 under root 3 meter. Now children, RS equal to 10 root 3 meter. Look at here. Now perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord means R what? DS equal to 2RS. DS equal to perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. It means DS equal to 2SR. 2SR and RS we have found out. And now DS equal to, DS is a chord, DS equal to 2RS. Why? Here see, you can write down since RS equal to RD. RS equal to RD. Why? Because perpendicular from the center. See, perpendicular, write down perpendicular from the center, to chord bisects the chord. Okay children, this implies that DS, what is this? DS equal to 2 into RS is 10 root 3. What is this? This is 2 into RS we have found out to be 10 root 3 equal to, this implies that DS equal to 10 to the 20 root 3 meter, and DS equal to what children? ds equal to AD equal to ASC. To find ds is equal to AD equal to AS, because the triangle is equilateral. So ds equal to 20 root 3 meter equal to AD equal to AS. Clear children? So this is your answer, that is ds equal to 20 root 3 meter equal to AD and AS. This is your answer. Note it down children. Note down the question. See, these questions are very much important, and they see the last question so many concepts are there. Now let me explain you the concept of centroid. Now this question is over children. What is centroid? Children, let me explain the concept of centroid. What is centroid? See, centroid of a triangle is the point of intersection, of all the three medians, of the triangle. Clear? It divides what? It divides the medians in the ratio 2:1. Pictorially, this is the triangle. Clear children? Triangle A, B and C. Clear? Median, this is in equilateral triangle, median is altitude also. Clear? Sorry, don't take it equilateral here. See, this is, let it be A, B, C, this is D. Clear? This is E. Clear? And this is F. So see, this point is, what is this? This point of intersection of all the three medians. Clear? Then let it be G. Clear children? Let it be G. So G is the centroid over here. Okay, here G is the centroid, centroid, centroid of triangle ABC. And see, AD, BE and CF are the medians. Okay children? Clear? And one more concept is there in equilateral triangle. Clear? See, in circumcircle, when circumcircle of a triangle, that is, if equilateral triangle is there inside the circle, clear, the centroid G and center of the circle O coincides with each other. Okay children? Right? Centroid of a triangle is the point of intersection of all the three medians of the triangle. It divides the medians in the ratio 2:1. Here see the figure. Here G is the centroid of triangle ABC. Okay. Once again I tell you here, in now centroid G, here it is given centroid G of equilateral triangle ASD coincides with the center O. In equilateral triangle, centroid G and O, clear, of a circumcircle, clear, they both coincides with each other. Okay children, I hope you have noted down. Clear? And this is, I tell you, question number 5 and question number 6 they are in hearts category, means higher order of thinking skills, and you are supposed to practice them again and again, otherwise it will be very difficult to solve, because several concepts are put together in these questions. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day.